Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give information regarding very important topics for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institute like CUT PG, for Common University Entrance Test CUT PG 2024. Last date for online registration is 24th of January 2024. And CUT PG exams will be in March 2024. So this video is very useful for various university and institutes, MPH and MHA entrance exams like CUT PG, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institutes which provides Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration courses, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital management and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So here name of the topic is biotechnology. So today we will discuss about cheese making. Earlier we have discussed about basic concepts like in the previous videos we have discussed about biotechnology introduction, so in the previous video we have discussed about biotechnology, scope of biotechnology, applications of biotechnology, production of pest resistant plants, genetically engineered insulin, BT brinjal, golden rice in industrial product, yogurt production, production of antibiotics. So now in this video we will discuss from cheese making. So what is cheese making? Cheese is one of the most important type of dairy product arising from microbial fermentation. Warm milk is mixed about 2000 to 2001 with the enzyme rennet, formerly extracted from dead calves' stomachs but now produced from bacteria and allowed to react for several hours. The carcinogen in the milk is uncoiled and clots to casein. This turns the milk solid. The curds solid are then cut with a knife and the whey liquid drained away and fed to animals. The chopped up curd is then salted and placed in a mold before squeezing to remove any trapped air, a process known as cheddaring, hence cheddar cheese. Sometimes the cheese is then dipped in brine or a solution of fungal spores to inoculate it and produce a surface rind. The cheese is then left at a constant low temperature in the old days in a cave, hence making cheeses are associated with the cave-rich districts. To mature, this may take up to a year or more. So, cheese making was an important way of preserving a valuable food through the winter in the days before refrigeration. Industrial alcohol production. The production of industrial alcohol, ethanol, became commercially feasible on a large scale after 1906 when the Industrial Alcohol Act was passed. This act allowed the sale of tax-exempt alcohol if it has first denatured to prevent its use in various alcohol beverages. Industrial alcohol is commonly employed as a solvent and to a lesser extent as a raw material for chemical synthesis. Smaller amounts are also used as a motor fuel like gasoline. Microorganism. Choice of fermentation. Microorganism for the alcohol production depends upon the type of carbohydrate employed in the medium. For example, if starch and sugar are raw materials in the medium, then specially selected strains of Saccharomyces cerevisiae are utilized. Production from lactose of whey is accomplished with candid pseudotrophicalis. If it is sulfur based liquor fermentation, the Candida utilis is the best organism because of its ability to ferment pentoses. So particular strain of these various organisms actually employed for the fermentation are selected for several properties. They must grow rapidly, have higher tolerance to the high concentrations of sugar, but at the same time they must be able to produce much larger amounts of alcohol and be resistant to the produced alcohol. Media. The media for the commercial production includes blackstrap molasses, corn. Blackstrap molasses has greater use. Grains, sulfite, waster, liquor, whey, potatoes, wood, wastage. Plant breeding. Plant breeding is the branch of biology which is concerned with the developing varieties superior to existing ones. The chief objective of plant breeding is to develop such improved varieties of crop plants that will be commercially successful, that is, they become more desirable agronomically and economically. Principles of plant breeding: development of high yielding varieties to improve the quality characters such as grain, size, color, shape, flavors, protein contents, etc. according to the crop. Development of diseases and insect resistant varieties. Development of photosensitive and thermosensitive varieties. Development of varieties with determinate growth. Change in maturity duration of some crops. It permits new crop rotations and often extends the crop area. Example: Gracia. Development of wheat varieties suitable for late planting has permitted rice wheat rotation. Modification of agronomic characteristics such as plant height, branching, tillering, adduct or trailing habit, etc., which is often desirable to improve synchronous maturity. It is highly desirable in crops where several picking are necessary. Example: Gracia vigna radiata. To develop non-shattering characteristics in crops where shattering is a major problem in several commercial varieties. To remove or produce dormancy, whatever is desirable to the particular crop plant. Development of varieties with moisture, stress and salt tolerance for the rain-fed areas and for saline soils. Examination of toxic substances from the crops so as to make them safe for consumption. Example: Gracia beta and oxylamine, alanine, beta and OA are neurotoxin from Caseary Lathyrus sativus. Removal of erucic acid from brassica oil. Role of plant breeding in crop improvement. It involves different methods. First, plant introduction. Second, selection. Third, hybridization. Fourth, polyploid breeding. Inbreeding, depression. Fifth, plant tissue culture. Sixth, mutation breeding. Some of methods are as follows. Selection. Selection is the oldest method of plant breeding in which individual plant or group of plants are sorted out from mixed population, thus eliminating undesirable ones. The selection methods include mass selection, pure line selection and clonal selection. These are as follows. In mass selection method, plants are selected based on their desirable morphological characters, phenotype. Their seeds are composite or mixed, and the prognosis are grown in masses. They are not individually tested. After repeated selection for about 5 to 6 years, selected seeds are multiplied and distributed to farmers. The only disadvantages of mass selection is that it is difficult to distinguish hereditary variation from environmental variation. Some crops varieties developed by mass selection. Crop variety cotton. Crop is cotton and variety is Dharwar American, Dodahati local and Cambodia's groundnuts TMU1, TMU2, AK10 and K122. Second, a pure line is a collection of plants obtained as a result of repeated self-pollination from a single homozygous individual. Hence, a variety formed by this method shows more homozygosity with respect to all genes. One disadvantage is that new genotypes are never created by this method. Genetic variability is essential for adaptations in different environmental and seasonal conditions. Some crop varieties developed by pure line selection. Crop and variety: wheat varieties NP4, NP6, K13, Kalyan Sona and Sonalika. Rice varieties CO4, CO10 and MU3. Castor varieties SC1 and SCB. Third, colonial selection is used for crops like sugarcane, potato, tea, banana and certain species of grasses which are asexually propagated and produce very poor seeds based on their phenotypic appearance. The method of clonal selection is employed to select improved variety from a mixed population. Clone selected plants are multiplied through vegetative propagation to give rise to a clone. The genotype of a clone remains unchanged for a long period of time. Some crop varieties developed by clonal selection. Crop and variety: potato varieties Kufri Red and Kufri Safed. Mango varieties Mundappa, Padma and Neelam. Banana varieties Bombay Green and High Gate. Orange varieties Yuvraj and Blood Red. So in this video, information regarding some important topics regarding biotechnology has been given. In the next video, we will discuss about the multiple choice questions of biotechnology, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So students who are preparing for various universities like CUET, PG, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH Nimhans Bangalore, JNU Hyderabad University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institutes and which provides MPH and MHA entrance exams, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.